nandito tayo ngayon sa Jollibee, sa Congressional Avenue Extension para i-celebrate yung birthday ni Mama.
It's a surprise celebration for Mama Nene para i-celebrate kung gaano ka-colorful yung life niya. So, in-invite ko lahat ng mga family and friends niya na hindi niya alam. So, this is really a surprise para sa kanya.
Mama, sana na-surprise ka dito sa ginawa nilang surprise party para sa'yo. We love you!
Happy birthday! I love you!
Surprise! Di ba sabi mo lagi sa akin noon pag nagpe-prepare ako ng birthday ng mga bata na ang swerte naman ng mga bata ngayon, sabi mo, di ba? Ikaw di ka nakaranas ng birthday. O eto na yun, di ba sabi ko sa'yo pagpa-party kita, o eto na. Ito yung regalo ko talaga sa'yo, ha? 7th birthday mo, yung Wednesday, 18th birthday mo, o eto, 7th birthday. Happy birthday, Mama! We love you!
I'm feeling good. Getting better. Feeling good. I can't let it go. I'm feeling good. 'Cause I never say never. 'Cause I found my place where I'm always feeling good. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good.
Happy birthday, Mama! Sana masaya ka ngayong araw and na-surprise ka namin lahat. We love you. Mahal na mahal ka ng lahat ng mga apo mo at mga anak mo.
I still remember where we were standing when the world stood still. Everything was an open canvas that we could fill, and we're on our
Happy 70th birthday. Sana na-enjoy mo itong surprise birthday celebration na pinrepare nila Mitch, nila Kuya Bim. Sana maging masaya ka, magkaroon ka ng healthy na pangangatawan. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Mama. I love you. Happy birthday.
You're the feeling in my soul. Every sunrise turns to gold. You're the reason I will never be alone. You are my home.
Ninang Nene, happy birthday! Ako yung second favorite na pamangkin mo.
Part 2 ng birthday celeb, Anyong. First favorite pamangkin.
Tinene, happy 70th birthday. Ito na naman, pangalawang selebrasyon. Sana mas masaya ito. Happy birthday.
Chase down, and we're on our way. Come what may, who knows what we're gonna find.
Happy birthday, Tita! Long life, more blessings to come, and God bless.
Happy birthday, Lola Nene! I love you!
Happy birthday, Ate Nene! Prayers ko sa iyo, good health, more blessings to come, and take care of yourself.
Every sunrise turns to gold. You're the reason I will never.
Happy birthday, best friend. Of course, I wish you good health, ate. Stay beautiful, laging masaya.
Happy birthday, Nene! You are forever loved. And always, Nene.
Nene, happy birthday! Yung the beauty ka!